Okay, hi Assalamualaikum. Today we want to talk about the Panasonic Corporation. Panasonic Corporation operates several different industries, for example, like housing and consumer electronics. Okay, next we want to talk about their current supply selection process. So first of all, they will do some strategic planning because they want to determine what kind of good service that they need, and they want to make sure they identify the potential site for production and accounting and much more. So next they will do, first of all they will do some supply identification because they want to see that the potential of supplier that they want, the Panasonic one. For example, like their network, their marketing research. So next they will do some pre-qualification assessment because they want to product qualification assessment to ensure that they meet the action criteria that they are needed, that dapat Panasonic needed. So next they will do some request proposal and quotation because they do this because they want to see how much product, how much supply product that the Panasonic need from the suppliers, so that they can cut their cost based on the product itself. So next they will do some evaluation. The reason because Panasonic want to consider factor like the cost efficiency, compatibility and standard and objective technical expertise, innovation potential, reliability and extended alignment. Next, they will do some site visit because they want to see that how the suppliers do their things in supply thing for the Panasonic, because Panasonic itself want to see how the process of the supplier itself lah. So next they will do some contacting and negotiation because Panasonic want the best price for the supplier. Do not want to spend much money, so that they want to have some agreement about the costing of the supply things. So next they will do some performing monitoring and continuous improvement because Panasonic want to keep on the market about their product, so that their product still improve even though our generation keep on moving forward. Okay, next, and lastly they want to do some supply relation management because they want to make sure that they have a long term relation from the supplier and the Panasonic, so that Panasonic no need to search another suppliers for their products. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Wan Alia Adilna and I'm going to present about supplier selection criteria for Panasonic company. So Panasonic supplier selection criteria ensure that the firm maintains high levels of quality, innovation and customer happiness. Suppliers are assessed based on their capacity to produce defect-free components, adhere to stringent quality control and keep up with technological changes. There are 5 supplier selection criteria for Panasonic company. The first one is high quality services and products. Panasonic considers quality assurance to be not just a priority but also an essential element of its brand identity. The company's reputation is based on continually providing great goods and services, and suppliers must uphold this quality. Panasonic wants supplier to deliver defect-free components, dependable service, and flawless craftsmanship. Any reduction in quality may have serious consequences, including costly recalls that not only drain Panasonic's budget but also damage consumers' faith in the brand, harming customer loyalty and market standing. Suppliers must follow industry standards and establish effective quality control methods. The second one is technology. Panasonic, as a leader in technology, relies significantly on cutting-edge components, requiring that its supplies keep ahead of technical breakthrough. Suppliers are required to actively monitor developing technologies, attend industry conferences, and engage with research institutes to keep current on the latest advances. Beyond supplying current technology, Panasonic seeks vendors that will actively participate in innovation initiative. Joint research and development (R&D) can result in groundbreaking advances such as more energy efficient batteries or better display technologies, which are vital to Panasonic technological leadership. The third one is customer focus. Panasonic places a high importance on responsive communication with its suppliers. Clear and fast replies to inquiries, order modifications, and technical questions are critical to avoiding production schedule interruptions. Supplier must go beyond transactional context and actively attempt to understand Panasonic's specific needs and operational intricacies. This knowledge may be obtained by regular site visits, share planning meetings, and open talks, which develop a stronger collaboration. Suppliers may become real business partners by matching their objective with Panasonic's strategic ambitions. A good alliance promotes reciprocal progress, and suppliers that actively offer ideas, make process change, and provide unique market insight may considerably strengthen their long-term relationship with Panasonic. The fourth one is competitive pricing. While good quality is crucial, Panasonic also prioritizes cost effectiveness. Suppliers are assessed based on the total cost of ownership (TCO), which includes both the original purchase price and aspects like maintenance, warranty, and long-term dependability. So the TCO study assures that any cost savings do not compromise long-term product dependability and performance. Finding the correct balance between quality and cost is critical for maintaining profitability and market competitiveness. Panasonic needs vendors that understand this delicate balance and can respond to market variations. So the last one, the fifth one is Dun and Bradstreet reports or supplier financials. Financial stability is a significant consideration for Panasonic when selecting suppliers. Suppliers must achieve minimal financial standards to fulfill contractual commitments and avoid production delays caused by financial instability. Panasonic monitors suppliers' financial health to avoid risks such as a bankruptcy or a financial crisis, which might have a significant impact on the supply chain. However, discretion is evaluated against other aspects, emphasizing that while financial stability is important, it should not be the primary priority. Thank you. That's all from me.
Alright, so the last one, which is the recommend the best methods. So to ensure reliable and comprehensive supplier evaluation, I think Panasonic can adopt a multifaceted approach that integrates various evaluation methods and best practice. For Panasonic to continue to be known for its high standards of quality and innovation, effective supplier is more important. So Panasonic can make sure that it works with high quality suppliers by implement a strong framework for supplier evaluation. This framework should assess various aspects of a supplier capabilities to ensure they align with Panasonic's needs. So by conducting audits, it is the most effective way Panasonic can make sure that the supplier review is accurate and comprehensive. And then to determine whether a supplier can satisfy Panasonic standards, I think by a methodical review of the activities is known as a supplier audit. The production procedures, environmental policies, and quality control systems are just a few of the topics that audits can cover. And then planning a site visit and do analysis, reporting, and follow-up are the steps involved in how it operates. And then also planning involves defining like the audit scope by your needs, such as environmental compliance and the quality focus. Other than that, it is like imperative to follow up for an audit to track the supplier's implementation of remedial actions. And then by using supplier, audits also has benefits that may contribute to improved cooperation and more efficient operations. This could encourage open communication and a better comprehensive of the supplier's capabilities. And by locating possible disruptions or bottlenecks in the supplier's operation, I think it can also guarantee efficient manufacturing. So when performing supplier audits, Panasonic may run across problems with data transparency and resource limitation. So the cost and time on-site audits necessitate dispatching skilled workers to supplier locations, which can be costly. So the supplier selection process is further delayed by the length of time required for the audit procedure itself. And then the next set of difficulty is the restricted information availability. It is possible that suppliers will not want to reveal sensitive information such as financial or production process details. And then the restricted access may make it more difficult for the auditor to obtain the whole picture, because the accuracy of the data can present difficulties due to several factors, and a lot of time audits depend on supplier data which can be erroneous or lacking. And lastly, I think by implementing this audit method, Panasonic can acquire a thorough grasp of both current and prospective suppliers. This not only ensures high quality products and services but also fosters long-term collaborative partnership with suppliers who share Panasonic's values.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Numaisara binti Sarmizi, and I would like to explain about the comparison of the three different methods or tools that Panasonic company use. For the first criteria, supplier financial analysis. For the description, analyzing the financial statements, credit ratings and other financial indicators. For how it works, it obtains financial statements, credit reports and other relevant financial data from suppliers. For the second point is benefits. The benefits are it detects financial issues easily, allowing for proactive management. And the last point is challenges. It collecting and analyzing financial data can be time consuming. For the second criteria is supplier audits. For the description, to assess a supplier facilities, processes and capabilities. For how it works, it conduct audits with quality standards, production capabilities and environmental practices. For the benefits, the audits provide first-hand insight into a supplier's operation and capabilities. And the last point is, it can be resource intensive and may disrupt suppliers if not conducted collaboratively. For the last criteria is supplier surveys and interviews. For the description, it used to gather feedback and insight directly from potential suppliers. For how it works, it assesses suppliers' capabilities, responsiveness, communication, and alignment. For the benefits, it provides opportunities for open communication and relationship building with potential suppliers. And the last one is challenges, the willingness of suppliers to participate and provide honest feedback. So, for the three methods, the comparison is for the first one, supplier financial analysis. It offers a detailed evaluation of financial stability but can be time consuming and requires access to financial data. For the supplier's audit, the audits offer a comprehensive understanding of a supplier's capabilities, quality control measures, and compliance with standards. The audits also help identify potential risks, non-conformities, and areas for improvement early in the supplier selection processes. And the last one is supplier surveys and interview. It assesses suppliers' capabilities and responsiveness. They may also be subjective and require carefully interpretation to ensure reliability. Thank you from me.